Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a pressing issue that's alarming maritime professionals and global security experts alike, the surge in dangerous attacks in the Red Sea. Just this past month, the UK Maritime Trade Operations, or UKMTO, has been on high alert. In May alone, they issued 14 warnings about 5 separate incidents near Yemen, but June has seen an even starker increase with 25 warnings about 11 different incidents. What's happening out there? Attacks range from distant explosions to direct threats like drone boat strikes and missile assaults. Just last week, 2 vessels were left not under command due to these hostilities, and, tragically, a Filipino seafarer is missing. The US Central Command has expressed significant concerns over this situation. They've pointed out that these attacks by the Iranian-backed Houthis are not just random acts of violence, but calculated moves that threaten regional stability and, more critically, the lives of mariners navigating through the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. For those of us in the maritime industry, these developments are more than just news. They're urgent calls to action. The safety of our crews and the security of our shipping lanes are at stake. As we continue to monitor this situation, staying informed and prepared is our best defense. Thank you for tuning in. Stay safe out there and keep watching for more updates on this developing story.